how to receive bottled water and bag ice from our machine. Firstly, we need to select the volume you need. Choose 50 liters. Then put the bottle in the filling station. Then see the menu. Then put the credit card here for payment. See the machine is dispensing water. Then we go on to buy bag ice during the machine is dispensing water. Firstly, we also need to select the weight. 5 kg bag ice. Then go for payment. Put the card here for payment. And see the screen. The machine is dispensing ice bag. Ice is falling down. On the other side, water also filling. Bag ice is ready. Ice bag is ready, then you can take out. See the water. It is finished, then you can take it out.